Asphalt 9 redeem code features. It's a pretty simple thing to do. Redeem codes are now available and you can use to receive in-game gifts. To get started, all you have to do is follow these three simple steps. Open Asphalt 9 redeem a code website with your phone, tablet or computer. Verify your player ID, which is over here. You can see it. And once you have verified, add your redeem code to receive the in-game reward. So that's how you can do it. So where you can find the redeem code, every now and then we will be rewarding our community by realizing codes into the wild. Codes may be found in Discord community events given away through our social media channels, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook or YouTube, or even by our own content creator communities, which are influencers and stuff. So maybe they are even hidden in the previous post, maybe at the end of the article, or maybe somewhere else. So remember, some codes have expiration date and maximum of redemption. So make sure you follow us on social media channels. It will be first come first serve. So that's how it is. So this is one of the redeem codes gift for you. You can redeem it on your application right here. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share. This is me signing off. Take care. Bye bye.